morning everyone. Today we will see the exercises of chapter 16. Let's see the first one. Choose the best answer. Please go through the chapter before attempting this question. When you read the chapter thoroughly, you will be able to do this. It's very easy. Now let's move to question number 2. That is, put a tick by the true sentences and a cross by the ones that are false. So it is just like true and false. Hope you all will be able to do it nicely. Now let's see question number 3. That is, read the examples, then change the sentences in the same way. We will see the first one. I can't swim. Then the answer will be, I wish I could swim but I can't. He won't help me. I wish he would help me but he won't. So here you all can see the use of could and would, though it's a bit tough, but I think by proper practice you all will be able to do it. Let's see some more questions. Let's see question number 2. He won't tell me. So what will be the answer? I wish he would, but he won't. Again I am repeating the answer. I wish he would, but he won't. Want is the contracted form of will not. Let's see question number 6. They won't sit down. So what will be the answer? I wish they would, but they won't. I wish they would, but they won't. So like this you all have to change the sentences. You can take hint like this. If there is can't, then here it is could. If it is won't or will not, then it is would. So like this you all can guess. Now let's see question number B. Example first. I don't know his name. So how can we change it? I wish I knew his name but I don't. Second example, I live in Delhi. I wish I did not live in Delhi, but I do. So like this, you have to change the sentences. In all of the answer of question number B, you have to use I wish. Means you have to begin your answer with I and wish. Let's see some questions. Let's see question number 2. I don't understand it. So how can we change it? I wish I understood it, but I don't. Again I am repeating the answer of this question number 2. I wish I understood it, but I don't. Let's see question number 5. I don't like ice cream. So how can we change it? I wish I liked ice cream, but I don't. I wish I liked ice cream, but I don't. So like this you have to change. Let's see one more question, that is question number 10. We have arithmetic twice a day. So the answer will be, I wish we did not have arithmetic twice a day, but we do. Again I am repeating the answer. I wish we did not have arithmetic twice a day, but we do. So like this you all have to change the sentences. Let's see question number C. I am not rich. So the answer is, I wish I were rich, but I am not. Let's see another example. She is sad. I wish she were not sad, but she is. So like this you have to change by using verb were. You can see were is used in both the answer. Let's see question number 2. He is not here. So the answer will be I wish he were here but he is not. Again I am repeating the answer. I wish he were here but he is not. Let's see question number 6. I am afraid. So the answer will be I wish I were not afraid but I am. I wish I were not afraid but I am. Let's see question number 10. The apples are rotten. So how can we change it? I wish the apples were not rotten but they are. Again I am repeating the answer. I wish the apples were not rotten but they are. So like this you have to change the sentences. Let's see question number D. I did not meet her. So the answer will be, means how we will change it. I wish I had met her but I didn't. Another example. I broke the window. I wish I had not broken the window but I did. So like this you have to change. Let's see some question. Let's see question number 3. He did not give me one. So the answer will be I wish he had given me one but he did not. I wish he had given me one but he did not. Let's see question number 5. I did not see the film. So the answer will be I wish I had seen the film but I did not. Let's see question number 9. We lost the ball. So the answer will be I wish we had not lost the ball but we did. Again I am repeating the answer. I wish we had not lost the ball but we did. So like this you all have to practice all these exercises.